Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Dave here. We're bringing you another blog, a morning blog. Here's the gym. And tiring at the ranch last night. We are currently harvesting the watermelons. I caught about 4 trespassers, and the worst thing about it is that these trespassers are thinking that they're gonna get the watermelon for free, which they probably might. The thing is that they don't know how to choose the watermelon. They go inside the field at night and they see a big watermelon, so they immediately rip it, not realizing that watermelon wasn't ready to harvest yet. These people are so inexperienced, and they take home watermelons that were still green. So naturally they're just gonna dump them in the trash. It was a wasted drive to an area that they had no permission to even be in there. They could have been charged with criminal trespass. Even criminal mischief, that they damaged a watermelon that wasn't ready to be harvested yet. It's very simple. The owners of the ranch are very, very nice people. All they gotta do is go over there and ask them, you know what? I don't have any money. It's been very hard because of the pandemic or blah, 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 whatever the reason, they'll give you the watermelon. You don't even have to go out and pick it. They'll give it to you. They're very nice people. They're down to earth. They understand your financial situation, but don't go in there thinking that you can just do whatever the hell you want and start destroying watermelon just because you think that it's ready. These people that I caught, I showed them, look, did you think that watermelon was ready? I chopped it in half. It was white. It's like, I thought it was ready. See, that's why all you're doing is damaging a watermelon. Now, it'll be up to the owner if he files charges, but the sheriff's office is coming by and they're going to submit a report with this, and you shouldn't even been out here. This is private property. But people don't listen. I've seen one occasion last year where one guy was caught and he apologized and he said he would never come back. He came back the next day and caught him again. They're like, you seem to like being in jail. So the county took him away. So that pretty much. So, anyways, the camera. I'm talking out of an Insta360 One X2. I'm gonna put it away because I'm inside the sauna, and it's probably making the camera extremely hot, which it is. I'm gonna turn it off for now and just relax, and I'll see you at the swimming pool. Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Our last take was inside the sauna. The camera was getting pretty hot. I don't want to put it through that torture. Today, or right now, we're in the swimming pool. I just finished 10 laps. I don't put it on video because it's just 10 laps. It's nothing out of the ordinary. I would like to take this thing out and make sure all the doors and compartments are closed. They are closed. I want to go underwater for a little bit, and that would be something interesting, since I enjoy putting my camera underwater like this. Nothing extremely better than to have a waterproof camera join you inside the swimming pool while you do your exercises. It's something like that is priceless. I'm gonna relax and do some just ordinary random swimming, but I'm gonna turn this off for a bit, since it's not something ordinary. It's not something abnormal or not ordinary. I'm sorry. Everybody swims. Everybody uses a pool. Everybody probably even has a pool in their home. I was noticing the moon. I'm not sure if you can see it from here. The little white dot in the sky. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this off for now. I'm gonna do a little bit of swimming, and then from here I'm gonna go to the jacuzzi and relax the remaining time, which would probably be till about 8 o'clock. Today's Friday, May the 23rd. 23rd? May the 28th. The month is almost over. Today's Friday, May the 28th. And we're going to relax here for a little bit. I should go take the truck to the car wash, but it's still clean. So from here, I'm going to head on directly home and go to sleep, because all these days have been kind of stressful to me. I have not been able to get enough sleep, and I've been waking up late to come to work late, and the boss had already noticed that, so I had to pretty much explain to him that it's been very stressful, since everything from when I slipped at a restaurant, slipped and fell on the ground, messed up my back, all the way to going to work every night. I can't ask him for a day off or anything, because this is the most busiest season of the year, which is the harvest of the watermelons. So I have to stay there. They need me at work, and I've never let them down. So, and I'm not about to either. So for now, I'm just gonna go and turn this off and relax in the swimming pool, just do a little bit of laps, just short laps in swimming, and then head on to the jacuzzi. Hopefully the jacuzzi will have warm water today. Yesterday it was kind of cold. If it's cold again, then I'm probably just gonna cut it short and just go back to the sauna for a little bit before I just get changed to go back home. Anyways, y'all have a wonderful day. Maintain your social distancing. Yes, we still have COVID-19. We still have COVID-19 in the area. We don't hear of that many deaths anymore, but it's still around. In the city where I live, well, actually in the city where I work, or no, let me rephrase that. In the city where I'm at the Gold Gym right now, which is awesome, they've already done away with non-mandatory masks. I mean, nobody has to wear a mask anymore. Now, if they feel comfortable with a mask, then you're more than welcome to use it. But they opened up all the businesses in the Pflugerville also. They did away with the masks already, so people are starting to come back to normal now. Lago Vista, which is where I live, it's a small community. They're still enforcing it there, but because it's a small community and the majority of the people that live there or older geriatric people. I'm not saying that they're extremely old, but it's more or less a retirement community, and they still want to maintain their masks, so that's fine. But anyways, I'm running on 6 minutes just to explain to you what's going on here. But anyway, y'all have a wonderful day, wonderful week. I'm sorry, a wonderful weekend. We're already on a Friday, and I'm gonna relax here for a little bit. Water, for some reason or another, there's a lot of leaves in the bottom. It was clear. It was clean yesterday, but you know how it is. Swimming pools get dirty. But I'm just gonna exercise in this little small area right here. I'm not gonna get into the lanes because there might be people coming by later on that want to use the lanes. So I'll just kind of hang around in here. The water's pretty warm right now, so I'm gonna try to enjoy it. And again, as I say again, y'all maintain your social distancing. It's a weekend already, so be prepared to take your family to the Christian church of your choice, and let's get back to normal. Let's get life back to normal. Until now, I will not say goodbye. I'll just say until the next vlog. May God bless everyone.